Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and today we're going to check out Soviet Lada Nivas. We're going to check two of them side by side. One is 1991 and another one is 1977, the very first year when the Lada Niva was produced. It was brought to the world. The design started in the early 70s. By 1975, they already had a good working prototype, and it went in production in 1977, and it was a smashing hit ever since. So we are very lucky because here in the United States, we're very lucky because we had a pleasure of importing some amazing, absolutely amazing examples of Lada Niva. Technically, it's an SAV, sport activity vehicle. It's an all-wheel drive. You can say it's SUV, but it's a little too small for SUV. It's a unibody base that has no frame, and it's all-time all-wheel drive vehicle, which in 1977, it was unheard of. It was way ahead of its time, even worldwide. Some people may not agree with that, but that's what it is. So on the left, I have a 1991 Niva, and even those that know Niva know everything about Niva. Like I've talked to guys in Russia that know everything by the bolt, by the washer, by the little detail. They would be amazed actually to see this car, because this car was custom built at the factory. This is not some tune shop work. This is VAZ, V-A-Z factory in the city of Tolyatti in Soviet Union, actually in Russia in 1991. Soviet Union already collapsed, or it was on the verge of being dissolved. And this car was being made, being built, and being produced one of one for the Russian consul to Spain. So it has some really cool features. As you can see, it has the front push guard. It has factory installed moldings here. You can see them right there. It has mirrors. Doesn't look like it's a big deal. In fact, I may say I like the chrome ones better, but these mirrors have some really cool controls that no other Lada Niva had. And actually, we have them parked pretty tight, so we're gonna pull this one out. They roll nice and easy. I'm literally just pulling it out. Yeah, the car rolls nice and easy. I'm literally just pushing it with my hand. And we just retrieved 1991 Lada Niva for our viewing pleasure. And it's a beautiful car. This one, we're so lucky. We're actually thrilled to have this car. We're gonna peek in and look at some of the underbody areas, because this is one place where any car that was used, and this car was used for only 17,000 kilometers, which is about 12,000 miles. But, and the good news that most of these kilometers, it was used in Spain, where they don't get a lot of snow or any snow. So this car was not exposed to the harsh Russian, especially near Moscow, winter conditions. And we'll take a look at the engine in just a moment. We'll do a cold start. And this car had a lot of like rust-proofing undercoating. You can still see some of it, that black stuff. We actually cleaned that off, so you can see the original condition of the car. And of course, this car was a barn find. In fact, it was a brick barn find. And there are guys in Moscow that look for these cars. They found this car, they brought it in, and they did an amazing level of work on the underbody. And